Yo. Hey, Banny. Got Chris and Sean are over. They're gonna film a little bit, some cooking stuff, I guess. Some ASMR maybe. That's Levi. Did you see some of the comments? They fucking hate you, bro.
I know. It's great.
Yeah. No, I mean, yeah, that's... I'll interview more girls. Yours did well though. Yours is like at 60,000 or something.
I like that video a lot.
Yeah. Go for a walk. We're gonna film some skating, obviously, because we're with Chris Chan and he's a skater. You want to do an ASMR video?
Yeah.
That'd be great. Go on your channel?
Yeah.
Like, would it be a comedy, like making fun of it?
Both.
Alright.
It'd be like, it's still enjoyable, but it can, like, it's, you know, ASMR is like funny, so.
Cool, cool. Bonnie loves guests more than anything.
Oh yeah, she fucking went
She wants,
crazy.
yeah. Like, if you lay down, she'll just attack your
Oh,
face.
I did. Yeah, my face is all sore.
Are you a good doggies? I love you. You smell that chicken, don't you? Mmm. Lean chicken and veggies every day. Cut out the sugar and the carbs. No way.
If you're taking down this challenge, please let me know so I can.
This is what I watch for inspiration.
I don't know how to make jello.
So what are we doing here today?
We're trying to discover some good food combinations. Because that's how the peanut butter and jelly was discovered.
Can we not add these to anything?
No, these are being added for sure.
They have to.
Can I just eat one separately now for my vlog? Or does that
I want
fucking
one too.
does that ruin it?
Yeah,
What?
I mean, yeah.
Wait, did you just say I don't want him to?
I want one too.
Oh,
Well, there's not enough for all of us.
how many
So-
are there?
Then it's not fair.
No, how many are there?
There's probably like 5.
Yeah, let's just eat one each.
We'll do a shot.
Yeah,
A shot of sardine.
and that'll just be my vlog. Mine are nice and simple.
We'll give a ASMR teaser.
Yeah.
We'll peel it.
Shh.
Silly.
Watch out the juice.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, come on, dude.
It's milk, it's still spilling.
Why are they so big?
I hate when people
Oh,
freak.
there's only 3.
I hate when people freak out over dumb shit. You know.
Like what? Like spilling sardine.
Something so
Fucking
temporary. My dad growing up. Oh, come on!
What the fuck, Andrew?
Well, hey, there's only 3, so.
So you have
Yeah, that rag. Or that too. The paper towels probably works better. I could have did that.
the ASMR.
Thank you. ASMR.
Bonnie will look it up.
Yeah, Bonnie will look it up.
Fish oil. It's good
Yeah,
for the
fish
joints.
oil. All right,
Oh.
let's let's eat some sardines.
There's only 3.
So, okay, can I do it right now?
Take the small one. Save the big one for a Twinkie.
Oh, it smells.
Well, yeah, it's sardines.
Ooh.
Ew.
So wait, then you just eat it?
You've never ate a sardine before?
I don't think so.
What?
It's like a fish shot.
Ready?
They're good. Oh, you just ate the whole thing.
They're raw.
Just
You're
the
not supposed to
bones.
cook it. I'm just kidding.
Keep chewing.
good,
Keep
though.
chewing.
Fuck,
Savor
I
the
should have got
flavor.
saltines. That's what you're supposed to eat these with.
It's not that bad.
No,
It's
yeah,
really
they're
It
good.
tastes like tuna fish.
No, it's sardines.
Sardines.
Everyone freaks out over sardines. That's some pussy shit. Training Bonnie to jump high for the dog Olympics. Are you a happy dog? Are you a happy dog? Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Come 4:30, we'll start skating the ramp. We can only skate the ramp from 4:30 to 6:30. It's a deal I worked out with my neighbors.
Little serrated edge right here. I'm gonna try and be quick as I have some videotapes to return. Now this blade, can you hear how sharp the edge is? Listen to that. Now that just doesn't cut, that cuts magnificently.
Chris, would you ever get a tattoo?
Maybe. Probably not, but I could maybe.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah, I thought about it.
What would you get?
Law for be easy.
Should I let her out?
Those would both each have meaning to me, you know?
No.
Yeah, she just stares at you once you open the door.
Weird. But then she whines.
I'm not a
She's
big
scratching.
I think she just wants to play fetch. We can't play fetch with you all day, Bonnie. Here, no, just lay down. Just lay down and do nothing. She cannot get enough.
If I breathe, oh.
I'll just do a time lapse. Screw it.
I wish I had more like flow though, you know?
Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication.
It does smell good.
You eat these all the time?
I haven't eaten one yet. I should. Yeah. Hey.
What else?
Do yeah. Hey. You're warmed up. Chris and I did an ASMR video on his channel if you want to check it out. Should be pretty funny. When's that going up, you think?
Maybe about a week and a half.
Oh, Chris, I watched many minutes.
Okay, well that will be up in a week.
Sauce, man. Wow, is that why it's red? Is it unplugged?
No.
Hey guys, I'm Sean Rodriguez and I'm Chris's little filmer bitch.